This is the World Martial Arts Masters Lifetime Achievement Award, and this is a special one. It has this amazing Chinese hatchet or axe, and it was one of the ones that Eric Lee used in competition. So we wanted to present this to you. So,